Oh my gosh, it smells so yummy. So I don't mix both. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay, I already know which one is my favorite. Oh my gosh, Good Girl never fail. Mm, Good Girl is a real good girl. Like she really good. Real good up girl. Is it? Hey guys, I have a small Sephora haul. Usually my Sephora haul is bigger than this. If you check out my YouTube channel, you'll see. But because I recently did surgery and I don't want to be out and about too much, I'm still in the healing process. So I just did like sample orders, like travel size orders, just to test them out first, because I usually go to the store to see the items for myself, to get review from like the workers and stuff. But this time I just ordered like travel sprays and items to that I could test out from home, and if I do like the smell, I'll get the bigger size. So this one is the Kayali Eden Sparkling Lychee 19. Oh my gosh, I could barely see because the light is so bright. I can't see myself right now while talking to you guys because I'm using my back camera for the first time. So I want to test out this one, and I also got the Kayali Yum Bougie Marshmallow. I want to test out both because while I was, shopping, I was reading the reviews, and it seems like it's so hard to choose between the two because people are saying both smell good, both, it's like, okay, which one? Because I need to know which one so I could buy. But I was like, you know what, let me get the travel spray, smell both, see which one is my favorite, and then go from there. This one is the Eden Sparkling Lychee, and this is what it came in. Okay. Oh, this is the spray. Okay. Thank God it's not the roller ball. Ooh. Ah. Oh my gosh, it smells so yummy. Like it smells like something I can eat. Oh yeah, this smells really good. I don't want this video to be too long. So this next one is the marshmallow spray again. I'm gonna spray it elsewhere so I don't mix both. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay, I already know which one is my favorite. Guys, I can't see what I'm doing. I can't see myself. I'm just recording from my back camera. This smells really good, the marshmallow, but I think the lychee is my favorite. The lychee is stronger, but it has like a more, oh my gosh, it reminds me of, a perfume I had in the past. Is it the Marc Jacob flowers? It's in that family, the Marc Jacob flower, not the flower bomb. I forgot because I used to use those. Like if you check out my YouTube channel, you'll see how obsessed I am with perfumes. I have like a million perfumes. The next item is the Summer Fridays. This one is the flavor birthday cake. Birthday cake. So this is my second Summer Fridays. The first one is this cherry, and I love it so much. I'm actually wearing it right now. Not a lot, but just a little bit, Let's see what this one is giving. Yeah, let me wipe this off. But how am I gonna see? I need to get the other phone to see, or go look in the mirror to see what it's giving. You could taste the flavor of these lip balm. It's giving birthday cake. The vanilla flavor. I'm a chocolate girl. I love my chocolate cake. But this is giving Summer Fridays. So I also got, like I said, I'm obsessed with the Laneige lip balms, I go through these like it's nothing, but I only use one flavor. I've been only using one flavor over the years, and it's the berry. So I was like, oh, they have the small packages. Why not just try all the flavors? So I was like, okay, let me get this. Let me get this. Let me try this. These are so cute. But like I said, this is the flavor that I always get. This is the berry. Here you have the gummy bear. I know gummy bear must be really nice. Sweet candy. Oh, vanilla. This is just like a quick unboxing. Not my typical unboxing. Like, if you go on my YouTube channel, like I said, I'm always detailed with every single thing, trying them on and, But I have to get used to TikTok and know that TikTok is just short videos. Oh, and they sent me 2 samples, which is Good Girl. I already know how this one smells because I have had this before. I have the black one right now, the black heels, because it comes in like a heel. See, yeah, this is a pink one. I have the black one. I forgot what flavor that is, but you know what? Let me smell it. But like I said, between the marshmallow and the lychee is my favorite, but both smell so good. I don't even know where to spray this because I already have. Oh my gosh, Good Girl never fail. Good Girl gone bad. Let me tell you something. Good Girl never fail. Good Girl is a real good girl. Like, she really good. Real good up girl. My Way. Oh, this is Armani. Alright, let me spray this one over here. Smells good, but is it? Put it on my lip. Don't burn me now. I don't know. Maybe it's for men. Is this one for men? This was just a weird unboxing, guys, but I hope you enjoy. Bye.